Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here, we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. In this video, I'm going to talk about vibrational effort. While I was walking to the gym and listening to Jerry and Esther Hicks, what resonated with me today was when Esther said, "You've done physical effort, okay? Now do vibrational effort." Okay? And that just bam. I started thinking about that, how that's so fucking real. Because when you want something, it feels good. Follow your bliss, follow your emotional guidance system. Okay? Because the way you're vibrating, the way you're feeling in your gut and in your body, I like to say gut because that's where most of the power, the energy is. Like, it's in your gut, it's right here. And so, like, when you feel the freedom of having all the money you want, oh, it feels so good. You feel the freedom in your gut. Oh, that's for me. That's what I like money. That's why I appreciate money. I appreciate money because it's allows for freedom. Okay, money allows for freedom. So yeah, you can feel freedom now. Okay, the freedom of financial freedom of having that money that you want to spend on whatever it is that you want. Okay, so that's an example of how what you're feeling is what you're attracting. If you're feeling negative, if you're feeling anger, if you're feeling fear, you're attracting that into your life. It's just like when you're on a sales call or when you're approaching a person you like, right? You're talking to somebody you like, and if you're all nervous, all scared, then I'm not trying to make that voice. And then they're gonna feel like, ugh, like, why are you like that? Why are you acting weird, right? Because you're coming up with that weird feeling, scared, anxious, but you're like, oh, hi, how you doing, right? You're like, I can't even do it because that I can't even do it. Ugh, that feeling's weird. It's just weird energy. It's not in alignment, okay, with what your true intentions are. Your intentions are to say hi, get to know the person, but then you're scared and you're feeling fear, so the vibration is off. So the same thing with sales. You're talking to somebody and they're like, hey, and you don't believe what you're saying, or you're just scared and nervous. They're gonna feel it either on the phone or in person. So you gotta have conviction, believe in what you're saying. Okay. So, and integrity, okay? Integrity. Doing the right thing always. So, that's an example of how what you're feeling is going to come back to you, okay? You're feeling weird, people are going to feel weird back to you, especially in those two examples. When I was in prison, I felt joy when I visualized. I felt joy, and I had a process. It was a 3-step process. I would get in bed, get ready for sleep. I would do my Our Father prayer, okay? Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. So in that way, I was recognizing God. Okay, I was recognizing God and Jesus Christ, one of the greatest avatars. He said that that's the greatest commandment. And the second one is love your neighbor like you love yourself. Okay, but I digress on commandments. Then I would do my gratitude. Okay, I just say, thank you for this day, God. Thank you so much. Thank you for this food. Thank you for the Laker game, probably. I was probably grateful for that because it gave me a lot of time to, just have fun and enjoy. I was having fun watching those games. So I'll say my gratitude, okay? You say your gratitude or whatever's going on in your life. Number 3, I would visualize. I'll start seeing what I wanted to see because I'm not going to stare at a cement wall. Actually, I had a top bunk at one point, and a lot of points I had a top bunk. So I would close my eyes, and I would look up, and it was just a ceiling, just like this right here. It's just the ceiling. So I would close my eyes and be like, see myself with my family, see myself in college. And I felt joy, happiness. The difference between people who are incarcerated and you, in terms of mobility, is that you can walk outside whenever you want. Those guys can't. You know, those people can't. Those women can't. So those years that I was in prison, I was changing my vibrational feeling. Okay, I was doing what Esther said when she coined vibrational effort. I was doing that every single day, my prayer, my gratitude, and my visualization, using my imagination to see myself and where I wanted to be, and I was feeling joyful. So every day I'm doing that, I'm changing my vibration to joy, okay, to joy, and the image that's aligned with that feeling. So I'm feeling the feelings of the wish fulfilled, okay. I could do that right now. I could just close my eyes, start visualizing the stuff that I want, and get in that vibration, okay. And as I do that, I was doing that for 2 years, and as I do that, I become a new person. So in mine and in my subconscious, I was a college student. So when I got to college, I was getting A's right away. A's, 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 A's. Enjoying it, enjoying the process, okay? You have to focus on your goals. My goals were threefold when I got out. Be good morally. Go to school and focus on school, so I'm not committing crime, doing drugs, drinking alcohol, all that stuff. I did do some of that stuff, but it wasn't my primary focus. And whatever somebody like blatantly told me, oh, fuck school or fuck your homework or whatever, fuck you for not coming and partying, I'm like, oh, like, I'm cutting you off. Why? Because it's not aligned with my goals. I need to focus on my goals. But sometimes people push you away from your goals when they don't tell you blatantly. They'll tell you, hey, come on, just one drink, just hang out 10 minutes, just a little while, and you stay for 5 drinks. You stay for 2-3 hours. Those are 2-3 hours that you could have done to focus on your goal. Okay? Because I was working. I was doing things that were aligned with my goals. I was studying, I was writing words that I didn't understand and the definitions, and writing new concepts that I didn't know, writing summaries. So I was acting like a student even though I wasn't in college. I was in a cell for 2 years, okay? So the takeaway here is focus on your vibration. Like Jerry and Esther Hicks. You've done physical effort. Now focus on vibrational effort. That's all you need. And then everything else comes after that. The actions, okay? Because it's always thought, feelings, actions, not the other way around. If you see something and people will live this way, okay? Many people live this way. But that's not how things are manifest. So there's people who reach their dreams, and there's people who fucking don't. Okay, you're here, so you're open-minded, and you're gonna reach your fucking dreams, okay? Because you're in this community, and we're here, we make things happen. Here, we believe. Here, there are no limits, okay? There are no limits. We're only going up. Oh, I have my shirt right here in the back, I have an arrow. We're only going up, we're progressing, okay? So focus on your vibrational effort, and everything else will come after that, okay? Your vibrational effort is whatever you're focusing on. What story are you telling yourself during the day before you go to bed? What are you visualizing? Are you being angry or complaining, or are you visualizing the stuff that you want in your life? Okay? The story that you're visualizing, the story that you're telling yourself, and how you're feeling about it is what you're creating. Okay? Now go on and do some work. Do some work that's going to help you reach that goal. For me, it was getting a notebook, right? Those little yellow tablets, and writing out words, concepts that I was learning as I was, quote unquote, pretending to be a college student. Okay. I hope you like this one. I love you. Till next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this helped you or you think it's going to help somebody, share it with that person. Share it with somebody that you love. Till next time, peace. And I love you.